Teenager from Logansport, Daniel and Kristen Muir, face felony charges of obstruction to justice. Daniel is also charged with a misdemeanor count of domestic battery. After their inspection, the Department of Child Services says they found more disturbing details about the Muir home. Cody Fisher shares their findings.
Daniel and Kristen Muir walked into a Cass County courtroom in orange jumpsuits just hours after their home was raided by an Indiana State Police SWAT team. During that raid, ISP found their son, who had been missing for 18 days and the subject of a silver alert. Kristen Muir was tearful in the courtroom as the judge sternly denied the couple bond. According to court documents, Daniel Muir had a conversation with his brother-in-law about his son. During the recorded conversation, Muir said he whooped his son like a grown man because of allegations that the teen had inappropriate contact with other children. Muir told his brother-in-law that if they lived in their religious homeland, that his son would be put to death for his acts, but since they live in the United States, they could not put him to death. On June 27th, Indiana State Police and the Department of Child Services met with the Muirs. During that meeting, Daniel and Kristen had different stories about how their missing son had a bruised eye. On the same day, DCS did a home inspection and interviewed several of the Muirs' children, who told them that their parents disciplined them by spanking them with belts and a garden hose. They also said their parents occasionally hit them in the mouth. According to Indiana State Police, the Muir family agreed to come in for an interview on June 28th with their son, but an hour before the meeting, the family backed out. That's when law enforcement started the process of getting a search warrant that led to the ISP raid.